Good morning, Nick. Thank you for your inquiry on the all-new 2020 Hyundai Palisade. As you can see, we got one pulled up here on the showroom floor. Let me take you through this beautiful machine. We got our beautiful cascading Hyundai grille, wraparound LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, very sporty alloy wheels with nitrogen-filled tires, LED turn signals here, blind spot detection, proximity key. Let's take a look on the inside. This is going to have our premium beige leather. You're going to have the third row seat. You're going to have a sunroof, touchscreen LED with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, our shift-by-wire technology, all sorts of different drive modes. You're going to have your paddle shifters here for a sportier feel. You're going to have your adaptive cruise control here, your intermittent wipers, your audio functions here, all of your safety functions like lane keep assist, blind spot detection. But Nick, that's not the best part about our vehicles here at Tameron. Best part about our vehicles here are warranties. 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain. We're going to double that exclusively for you. 20 years, 200,000 miles. And now we rolled in, this just came out at the beginning of February. Service, 3 years, 36,000 miles. You're gonna get your oil changes, oil filters, multi-point inspections, and your tire rotations. That's all on us. 3 years, 36,000 miles. Come see me, I'll be your point of contact. My name's Kevin. You can reach me on my cell, 205-767-3050. You're gonna love the way you treat it here at Tameron Hoover.